The table without recipes. Here I'd like to share with you a concept for the Christie Downs Community House. The table without recipes, a social dining experience for retirees who love food storytelling and the art of improvisation. This is not a cooking class, it is not a restaurant, and it is not for group bookings. The table without recipes is designed for individuals, or at most individual couples, who want to share food, wine, and stories without being swallowed up by a crowd. Think of it as a secret society, a club, a social dining experiment for retirees, where the only rule is there are no rules. Well, perhaps one. Please note, to keep the spirit of spontaneity alive, bookings for groups of 4 or more will not be accepted. This is a table for individuals. It's a celebration of shared time through food, wine, and storytelling. A place where meals aren't measured in grams, but in laughter. Where seasoning is instinctive, not instructional. Where food and wine nourish not just the body, but the soul. Inspired by the spirit of family lunches, I envision a not-for-profit community where fun and spontaneity are the objectives, and every dish tells a story. As a seasoned chef, I'll guide and support, but not instruct. In friendly gatherings that explore taste, smell, and common sense, we'll experiment and learn a thing or two about vegetables, seafood, meat, and pantry surprises. We'll learn by doing, sometimes by overcooking, but never by burning. Most importantly, we'll celebrate the healing power of shared meals and the friendships they foster. Whether someone is a seasoned foodie or simply enjoys a good glass of wine and better conversation, you are welcomed. All that's needed is curiosity, appetite, and a story or two. This proposal is just a starting point, an overture for a symphony played together, a loose sketch of something I hope can grow into a vibrant, healing, and delicious community experience. Cheers to you, Horst, and the team of the Community House. We love to hear your thoughts, and soon share a meal and a story with you at the table without recipes. Right here at the Christie Downs Community House.